Hey guys, welcome to Basic Computing. My name is Bismarck, and in this tutorial we will cover how to set up and turn on the computer. I will assume you just bought your computer with operating system pre-installed, so we will start from there. Checking the package, you have a couple of power cables which you connect, one to the system unit and the other to the monitor. You also have a VGA cable which you connect one end to the monitor and the other end to the system unit. Moving on to the keyboard and mouse, I bet you have those with a USB cable, so connect both devices to the available USB ports on the system unit. And just in case you have the other type of cables, that is the PS2 type, which I highly doubt, connect them to these ports accordingly. If there are other devices like printer and speakers, connect them also, but these four are the most important devices you need for now. Alright, we are done with the installation part. Now let's turn it on. You might have a double wall socket, but it's recommended you get an extension board just in case of power fluctuation. It might prevent damages. Okay, with that said, let's connect the extension board to the wall socket and all power cables to the extension board. Now turn on the socket and the extension board if it has a switch. Now to the main part, press the power button of both the system units and the monitor and turn on other devices if any. Then wait for the computer to log you on to its main interface. Right, so you wouldn't have to go through all this if your PC is a laptop. You just plug in your charger, turn it on, and you are good to go. Okay, that's it for today's video. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.